Welcome to the Derek Weaver Company. In this video, we'll be performing the factory reset procedure on both the W-957 and W-937. The procedure is almost identical in both machines. First, we'll press the house key, then the distance key up, and the house key twice. The screen will read position and give us a number here. We'll rotate the shaft until we have it at 111. Press the C key and then down to 55. Press the C key again and then up to 111 once again. The screen now says COD set. Press the house key once. You're going to get two numbers here. We're not concerned with the number on the right side, but we do want the number on the left side to read 46. And it can be changed with the distance keys if it's not at 46. Once we have 46, we'll hit the house key again. Next, it will read B-A and give a number here. This number should coincide with the number of the distance gauge pulled out to the edge of the backing plate. So we'll get this number and put this number on this side, and it can be changed with the distance key. There is one exception, and that's on the W-937. You may not be able to pull the distance gauge all the way out on some models. In that case, use the number 230 here for your distance reading. Once we have the number in, we'll hit the house key again. It's going to read EL1 and then give a number here. We want this number to be 007. And it can be changed with the distance keys. Once we have 007, press the house key, and it should read off here. Press the house key once again. Now the balancer has been reset to factory settings. After performing the factory reset, you should also perform the factory calibration. And as always, thank you for using the Derek Weaver Company for all your automotive equipment needs.